Hey guys, I got this new hot sauce here that I got at Costco. It's this black truffle infused hot sauce. I tried it yesterday and it was delicious. I just tried it on on some Mexican food. It was really good. Super delicious. It's got 10 calories. It's almost got no sugar. But I'm gonna try it on these ribs right here. See how it is on these pork ribs. Give this a go. Sweet, very sweet tasting, but not sugary tasting either. Got a nice tanginess to it. I should put that tangy, not necessarily sweet, but that helps these ribs out a lot. That is good. Probably some of the best hot sauce I've ever had. Not too much heat, but it's got a little bit there. It's got a little kick to it. Oh yeah, I recommend this one. Good on Mexican so far, good on ribs. I bet this would be good on rice and stir fry too. Great stuff there. Recommend you go get this. Comes in a 2-pack. Delicious. Yeah, if you haven't had this yet, you're missing out. Hey, if there's a sriracha shortage, get this stuff. Better than Tabasco and sriracha. And I love sriracha and Tabasco. Let's try this with some cauliflower. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. Cauliflower has a little bit of cheese on it. Man, that's good sauce. Let's try it with some of this here barbecue chicken. Guys, one thing I love about this is this hot sauce enhances whatever food you put it on. It doesn't remove the taste, it only adds to the taste, and it doesn't mask it either. It just brings out the flavors of whatever you put it on, or whatever you know, if you're using it for a Dunkin' sauce too. Man, you know, next thing I want to try is put this on some hot wings and glaze it. Oh man, yep, recommend that. I know that would be good. Very delicious.